Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to watch satellite view in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to watch satellite view in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a layer button available for us over here at the top right corner of the screen. And if you tilt the map, when the direction appears at the top right corner, the north direction, above the north direction there is the layer button available for us. Tap on that layer button at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the default satellite and the terrain views available for us. Now to watch Google Maps in satellite view, tap on the satellite over here, and then the satellite version of your Google Maps will be shown to you like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to watch satellite view in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.